guys. Got this this is actually a vintage Hunter, but I don't know if it's a Hunter or it's an unknown brand. It's probably a builder's model. Alright, here's the fan here. And it does move a ton of air. Yep. Take it on low here. Low. And it does move a serious amount of air. It's a really fast fan. Medium. Really powerful. Here we go. See, this is medium. Here we go on high. High. This is the one that gets pretty fast. Just like any Hunter Performance. This thing moves a ton of air. It was put in 1992, so the house was built. This ceiling fan is not replaced. The rest of them are all original except for one in one bedroom next door. So, yeah, I'll kick it off here with the switch, show you the spin down, and we'll get out of here. That's an old vintage carbon monoxide detector. It still works. You see my nice lights there. Gun shells. So, Jordan, I know you like ceiling fans too. I love them too. I love a Hunter original if you have one. If you can get a Hunter original for me, I'd be really happy. Because I know my neighbor over there, George, has got a bunch of them. He's got like 3 of them. He ain't giving them away. He just put them up there. This thing has a long spin down. And it's a ball bearing, so yeah. Waiting on it to spin down here. It has a super long spin down, as you can see. Very long. It'll be done before forever. Thing was oiled too. Well oiled with 3-in-1 motor oil. Slow motion. It's taking forever to spin down. Almost. That thing's insane. Don't do that. Now that's a vintage fan. This is a classic fan. See the base up there? Down here. Here's the lights. Yep. Very cool. And it's in mint condition still. Still like in brand new condition. These fans have been well maintained and well kept up by us. If you want one, just call me on my phone. If you want to, you can call me and I'll give you a fan for free. My fans are well maintained. You will never have to clean them because they are actually well oiled and well cleaned every time. Especially this beautiful thing. You see how slow, that's how long they spin down. They take a while. This one takes its time. It runs a lot. That's why it gets and plus this one gets a lot of use. All the fans in my room get a lot of use. The box fans, not so much, but the other fans, the mainstays and all that, they get plenty of use. They have usage time is very long time. This is a very long spin down, as you can see. Beautiful piece of, it's a beautiful ceiling fan. If you want one, you can't find one no more. I don't know the brand because it's unknown. It might be a Hunter. That's what Dad said. He thinks it might be a Hunter. 19 years old. But this is pretty cool, as you can see. The blade brackets, everything. It looks just like a Hunter if you want some blades. And it has the 4-blade conversion kit, if you didn't know. It has it, just like any other Hunter. So it might be a Hunter because it does have the 4-blade conversion kit. You just take the blades off and it has the 4-blade. You won't be able to see it unless I stick it right up there. It's very interesting. So I'll see y'all later. I'm going to join you and keep commenting, keep supporting me. And get Lemont. You should try checking out some ceiling fans too. I like them. I like all kinds of ceiling fans and fans. Hunter Originals are my favorite. So I'll see y'all later.